Will, we talked about pizza on this show, didn't we? A couple of times. You're a big pizza guy, aren't you?
I like pizza.
You'll have a pizza.
Not
here
as
and
much
there.
as you, but, you know, I like it.
What are you trying to say, Will? You trying to say I eat pizza too much?
Of course.
You trying to say I'm overdoing it on the pizza? Let me tell you something.
Wow.
We talked about Naples pizza. First of all, shout out to my early childhood pizza spot. It was called Naples Pizza, all right? And it's not there anymore. It's very upsetting. And never bring it up again, okay, for that reason. I'm going to have to reboot it because it's really unfortunate. Anyway, Naples, birthplace, real deal. That's the pizza. That's where it happens. When you see a pizza that looks like the one Will's showing, the classic, wood burning, the true mozzarella, huh?
Margarita.
Fresh tomato. Anyway, that's what you're talking about. How about this? A new pizza born in Naples in 2019, Will. Cloud Pizza. Coming from the individuals who wouldn't touch the OG original. They wouldn't touch it. They said, that's how pizza's supposed to be? Nah, they're still innovating, Will. You don't even know. You don't even know. Still innovating. Now, this dude took some heat early on for going this route. He took a new... There it is, Will. Top, right there. Will, what are you doing? NPR, one day ago. Shout out NPR with the article. A birth of a new type of flour led to the cloud pizza being born. Now, Kirk, you can't eat this, right? That's upsetting. I'm going to shed a tear for you on that one because I'm going looking for this right now. Everybody who's eating it is saying it's lighter, it's airy, hence the name cloud. And the way they're describing flour in this article will blow your mind. The tasting notes of the flour. Where is it here? It's got most pizza doughs have a hydration point of 62. Nuvola's higher concentration of soluble starch allows for a wider hydration range, as high as 100, creating a charred, crispier, puffier, lighter crust that is melty, more digestible, and yields a more bouncy, chewy cornicione. Pizza speak for the pie's raised rim. So the thing, Will, that everyone always avoids, the crust, becomes the focal point. Holy moly. What you know about that, Will?
So what is it? It's just light and airy? Is that what it is?
Hey, man, don't downplay this.
I'm not. I'm just curious. Like, does it add any special flavor to it?
You're being rude right now, Will. You're out of line. You're being rude. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, apparently. The grain higher in fiber with more bran, minerals, germ, protein, and amylase, a sugar enzyme. It allows a creme brulee sense of character, deep charred, but not bitter. Well, you don't know about this stuff, man.
Clearly, I don't.
You
It
see?
looks delicious, though.
So are we going to track it down or what?
Yeah, definitely.
We're going to track it down. Team event. We're going to go looking for this. Somebody in Toronto better figure this out. There better be some pizzeria figuring out this cloud thing. The CEO of the new flour producer likens it to Pasito, a raisin wine. What is going on, man? You didn't even ever think about flour like that before.
It's like a science.
You got to bring your A game from a taste perspective just to analyze and articulate what you're experiencing. So we talked about pizza before. I wanted to continue the trend. Just because you thought something was something, it can still innovate. It can still change. How about that? Grain tech in your next pizza. It's the cloud pizza. Unbelievable. I'm excited. Forget about the next smartphone, Will. It's the next pizza. How about that?